What's good, y'all? What's good? Finna market open about 5 minutes. Hold up, or 4 minutes. Okay, where's the market? Okay, it's oversold yesterday. Let me take some of this stuff out. I'm finna change this TV real quick. Got it on something. I don't know what this is. It got playing right now. Let me find me a good old fireplace. Had to take this cat to the vet. I'm running a little late again, but I analyzed it on my phone and stuff. I still got that marked out and whatnot. But yeah, let me do this real quick. Let me find something else. It's a regular fireplace. That'll do. Regular fireplace. Take some of this trash off like this too. Bottom. Gonna be a good day. Alright, let's get it, y'all. Let's get it. Bruh. Alright, let's get it, bruh. Let's have a good day. Let's bounce back, bruh. Let's bounce back. I think my main focus is today, bro. Who gives AF? Like, make sure you just build good habits on the chart. Let's just be good on the chart. I think the last couple days I've been too focused on the money. Let me take my brain out of that. Like, I mean, let's take that factor out of it. Let's just make good habits on the chart. Let's just do the right thing. Let's just be good at the skill first, rather than trying to make money. I mean, obviously we trying to make money and whatnot. I'm very bullish today. Obviously we trying to make money, right? But the faster you trying to make the money, the quicker it's gonna lead. The quicker it's gonna take you to actually make it. So, let's just focus on doing the right thing on the chart. Yesterday actually was a very, very good learning experience for me. Like, watching over it and watching over my video, looking at it and seeing like improvements that I could have made. You know, I'm getting better and better. I'm becoming more confident. I knew it was gonna go up, popped up like that. Prices opened. I'm a little tired, y'all. Just ran downstairs. Got me a little coffee. Yeah, I'm super bullish today. But I'm not married to that bias. I'm definitely, my whole thing goes right here. I don't even know if y'all been hearing me good. Sorry, I'm moving this now. Have y'all been hearing me good? Y'all hear me definitely good now. How was it over there? Y'all was barely hearing me. Anyway, y'all hear me good now. So, yeah, I'm not married to my bullish bias. I think the market is bullish here. I think the market is going to be bullish, but I don't know what it's going to do. It could be trying to come down to these lows, untapped gap down there, or let me see. Was that an untapped gap? I believe it was earlier. Yeah, it's an untapped 4 hour down there. We in a 4 hour that we're respecting though, so we can really just continue running up higher. I don't know. This can end up just being a breakaway, but yeah, that's not a bias I'm married to. I just like bullish. I like for the market to be bullish today. We do have news at 10. Prelim. Oh, I think that's Michigan, I believe. University of Michigan consumer sentiment. I think that's what it be, Michigan. But yeah, man. I'm very excited today. I stay patient. Just be smart on the charts. It's in the week. Hopefully green. I know I'm down about 900, but I can still end the week green with one trade. So once I take all the factor of money out of this situation, like out of it, then and just do what's right on the charts, I'll stop closing trades early, closing winners early. I'll stop, moving stop loss. I don't really move my stop loss, but just doing dumb stuff on the charts I won't do. So let's just focus on being a good trader. Like one trade a day, one risk reward or one TP. Like just keep it to one thing. Just it's time to start trading robotic. Somewhat, it's starting to trade real robotic, and because yesterday could have been like I had a good feeling of where because I'm a good trader. I know I am. I know where market is going. I know I know this technical analysis. Now I'm getting it down packed to the point. At this point, I'm getting way better. I ain't gonna say I'm just LeBron James of trading, or I'm just this or that. Like, because I'm still I get humbled every time. I don't. So any money that I have made in the market is not mine until I take the withdrawal or the payout. So, or even then, like, because I could lose money and have to pay that money to get new stuff, to get new accounts or do all this. So I have to just do the right thing on the chart so I can stay consistent. And yeah, man, and just realize that God's plan and God's will is 100 times more powerful than what your will is or what you're trying to do. So that's my main focus from now on, bro. I think I've been letting my flesh take over when it comes to these charts, and I know they may sound crazy, but the charts are worldly things in the first place. But yeah, I've been letting the charts make me more self-indulged, basically. It's too much self-indulgence, and I like too much scrolling on my phone, too much. I need to continue to read my word, and because I just wanna make it heaven at the end of the day, and that's the most important thing to me. I need some Vaseline on my lips. Yeah, but like I was saying, y'all, I like the volume that it's giving right now. I'm gonna still wait till the 10 o'clock candle for the most part, though, just so I can make sure. Let me see. I don't like how ES is moving, but I'm not really too worried about ES too much. But anyway, yeah. I just want to build good habits, man. Build good habits. I want to. I have not been working out the way I want to. I'm just called to be more in the spirit again. I need to be in the spirit, bro, and that helps me every time, bro. That literally helps me every time. So all this self-indulgence and being so self-centered and what my desires are in the world, and price is moving and grooving. It's time, bro. It's time to focus on the spiritual aspect of my life. Obviously, I'm gonna keep trading. Obviously, I'm gonna keep trying doing YouTube and trying to change my life, because I don't want to also continue working a job, being in this 9 to 5 rat race or another than that. But it's it doesn't matter, bro. It does not matter, bro. It does not matter. It just doesn't. I literally can't take none of it with me, bro. I literally read that in the Bible this morning. Like, you can't take none of that. So, can't take nothing with you, so. I sleep want to show y'all the scripture. I might start doing that. Showing y'all a little scripture. I sleep want to do that, bro. Why not? I still got. I'm gonna start doing that, y'all. I'm gonna start having a little scripture just to start the video off with a scripture. That's what I might start doing, bro. That's what I'm gonna start doing. I'm gonna start this off with a scripture or something. But man, it's important, man. Whoever tries to save their life will lose it. So when God comes back and it's possessions, bro, like if you try to save your life, you will lose it. Like if the kingdom of God comes, because the kingdom of God is within you. The kingdom of God comes, and you rich or whatever, you go there. If you say God try to come, you got a bunch of good stuff downstairs, but something is having an earthquake is happening to your house. If you try to run downstairs just to say the God is coming back in, or Jesus coming back in, it's hell, it's fire coming down, but you got a mansion full of stuff, and you try to go down and get some stuff to save, and you're gonna lose your life. But if you just stay on your balcony and just let it's Jesus coming back, and you just let it, well, not that because nobody would know. You couldn't even you just wouldn't even know, but just don't try to go downstairs and save your life, basically what I'm saying. Don't worry about all these worldly possessions. It's basically the main thing I'm saying here. At the end of the day, the mansion you had on earth is nothing compared to the mansion that's being built for you in heaven. So just don't worry about these charts too much, man. Don't worry about these charts too much. Although we all want to make money, we all want to be free and live a life of luxury to some extent and stuff like that. Just make sure you don't put anything above God, because he's coming back. Jesus is coming back. And you need to make sure you're ready. You need to make sure you're ready. Because he is coming back. Just make sure you're ready, bro. Just my mouth. Something's in my mouth, y'all. Orb will be set in about right here, 3 minutes 37 seconds. I'm pretty sure this is gonna be the top of that range. I don't think price is gonna shoot up. It could. I don't know. I like how it's bouncing off. We've bounced off of this gap a couple times at this point. It made these equal lows, came down, swept them, I think this is actually, this respected the gap too, didn't it not? Maybe it didn't. We got all this, so it probably did not. Yeah, it probably didn't. Oh, it did. It was in there, respected this gap for the most part. It was just, yeah, respected that gap. And then we shot up. But I can see price. I can see price coming to take these lows. If it does, maybe taps this. I don't know, or I don't know. Keep running down. We'll see what happens. But whatever pops out of that orb, I'm targeting the liquidity is going towards, or and I really don't want to short this close to all-time high, so I kind of want it to continue to pop up, but I think price right now is just rebalancing this range. Maybe it's like nothing else it really needs to rebalance. You see this rebalance, like it should be able to still keep going up. I'm wanting price to run up for sure. It's bouncing off of this perfectly, like literally hit right inside of there, almost to the middle part of it, the CE of it. So that's what I'm wanting to see. So once the 1 minute ain't really looking too crazy, but it look like ES is still S&P is still like holding kind of bullish. Like we just still, like it's correlated for the most part, but it's not as strong. It's just weaker to the downside. So I think it'll end up popping up. I don't know. I hope to see volume to the other side. I am, y'all can hear me, right? Yeah, y'all can hear me, you bet. I gotta update my OBS, I gotta update my computer, update everything. It seems like I think higher is the move today for sure. I think finally we take all-time highs and we get ready for next week. I think next week FMC is on what, Wednesday? Let me make sure this orb is set. Yep. One thing I should know. Sunday a bank holiday? What's Sunday? I don't know. Anyway, I miss Sunday anyway. So anyway, no news Monday. We got Empire State. Orange folder. I don't think that put no crazy volatility in the market though, but we'll see. I've never really dealt with that too much. I've seen that before. I don't think I just ever dealt with it though. We got red folder news on Tuesday, but like I said, I don't know. This the day before FOMC. It probably won't be a probable day. Then we have the FOMC at 2 p.m. I won't trade that morning at all, but I'm gonna look at the 2 p.m. and see what's going on during that time, cause I don't know. I might trade something in. I need to back test my strategy for the PM session. If not, I just use the other model. But and I'm not, bro. That's the thing, bro. I'm not really tripping on. Like I'm set to these two or this one model or these two strategies. I know both of them very well. I'm just focused on the orb right now because I just like it better. But both strategies work. I've actually learned a good continuation strategy with the other model I was using. And just having good market knowledge at this point is going to help me trade. So I might trade for them, see I might not, and then see where we go after that. Then we got unemployment claims 8:30 on Thursday, and then on that Friday we got no news on that Friday. All right, we can drop down to the 1 minute though. This liquidity has been taken. I don't really need that. This is a London low on ES. Let me mark this out. I honestly think that high is going to be a good draw right now, but it's like I said, I'm not shorting here, bro. That high, that all-time high, basically, is what I'm talking about. Not down, it's over there. I don't feel like going all the way back, but I just feel like all-time high is going to be taken at this point. ES is moving up pretty strongly right now. Showing a little discorrelation right now. This was equal highs one. Check this out. I don't need this no more. Is this TV too loud for y'all? Let me turn this down. Man, I was watching that Packers game yesterday, but the Packers looking good, bruh. I don't know if any of y'all seen the game or whatever, but they looking good, bro. The defense is, they just got Michael Parsons. I keep telling y'all about that. Man, I'm ready for Sunday. I'm ready to watch more teams, but man, they looking good, bro. Like Jordan Love is playing like he's making like good reads. I just think they defense is really, really good right now. They looking good. That boy McDaniels really couldn't do much, bro, because he was just getting rushed every time he snapped the ball, but it was just coverage. The coverage was just so good. Like they was getting locked up out there. What's dude named Nixon was locking up, bro. Number 25, the corner, he was locking up, bro. He was locking up. I'm starting to get more into football, bro. I'm starting to get more into football. Not over NBA. I still love basketball way more. But I'm starting to lock in on it again, and man, I might start putting some money on it. I don't know, but it's hard to put money on it when I this is way better. But and the Bible is against gambling, so I might not even, but it's something fun, The Bible also says, why not kill yourself? That's why I want to show y'all the scripture, because I actually don't want to like tell y'all stuff and then be wrong and don't have the actuals, because I'm not just perfect. I don't know all the scriptures by heart or whatnot, so I know them, but I know what I'm learning from, but I don't just know them by heart to the T and stuff. So, but I ain't gonna say this too, because I don't want to. Y'all gotta read for yourselves though. But basically, don't try to be perfect, bro. It's impossible. But don't just sin willy-nilly and thinking God just gonna keep forgiving you. Don't just be a sinner, for sure. Dang, I wanted to see that volume up, man. It's looking like it's not going to be the case right now. Let me see, somebody calling me, y'all. Gotta take this one. Alright, I'm back, y'all. Not really liking how it's looking right now, but I think once it's 10 o'clock, stuff coming in, it'll ramp the market back up a little bit. What is it at 10? I forgot. Oh yes, consumer sentiment and stuff. Oh, there we go. We pushing up a little bit. I definitely want to see higher though, bro. I want to see that for sure. I'm to the point where I'm like, man, I'm not like I'm not second guessing myself no more. Like yesterday, I even though it's important to be cautious and you know, make good trades, think about the trades you take and stuff. I'm not about to keep continuing to like if I see something that looks super clean, just take it. Like yesterday was a learning experience because 5 minute breakout and the 5 minute gaps. It was so many 5 minute gaps. It was kind of throwing me off. But now I know how to deal with those. But I kind of already knew how to deal with those. I've been trading for so long, so I know how to deal with those. But a lot of second guessing came in. So when I knew to wait for price to go back to the second gap, but I didn't know how to execute. But now, like, I just need to focus on executing. and being confident in my executions. So that's kind of where I'm at with that. Like, I'm not about to keep second guessing and being like, but maybe it's going to do this. Maybe it could go down to that. Could go down. Like, what is price telling you? What is price telling you? That's literally what it is. Like, what is price telling you? So that's my main focus now. Like, just execute, bro, and just know that none of it matters. You can lose a trade, you can win a trade. Just keep executing and do what the price is telling you. Take the trades the price is telling you to take. Really ain't that hard, to be honest. Look like prices is beginning to want to go up. Hopefully we see a good breakout. And tell me I got these dang nets again. I do. God dang that. Freaking that, bruh. Excuse me. Vacuum my room and stuff today. My fiance got some of her family coming in town this weekend. They ain't coming from far, none. They only live like 3 hours, 2.5 hours away. So they always coming. I'm just blessed, man. I'm just blessed. I've definitely been way too self-indulgent though, bro. And too focused on worldly things. But I'm glad God is pulling me back. That's why I'm so excited. Like, that's why I'm probably talking way more than I did the past couple days. Like, even in my thumbnail yesterday, I was like, bro, I looked like I was just, but I'm good, bro. All it took was a little prayer. I sat down and just talked to God, man. I was good. I'm telling you, prayer works, bro. Prayer is just literally all you need. Oh my goodness, at 10 o'clock. Was that 10? Yep. But look how see, that's telling me something right there though. Look how it's respecting that gap still. Like, it's bullish today, bro. I hope so, at least. That's kind of weird though. You see how it's changing price? Like, price is really opened right here, but you have a body of the candle like as if it opened like right here or something. Cause you see how I don't know. It's kind of weird to me. So this candle really supposed to be white. Like, this green candle is really supposed to be white. It's acting like price opened right here. That's something I need to look into. I don't know why it does that. Because it's a green candle, it's acting as if this was the open. The top was the open. I mean, the bottom was the open of the body, and it went up. But in actuality, the open was like this was really the close. I don't know, but it's kind of weird. My first time seeing. Oh, that's not my first time seeing it. I've seen that before, but that'd be confusing me sometimes. Like, this candle literally supposed to be white, but it's red. I mean, it's a green. Colorblind, ain't it? But it's still holding bullish to this gap. So, like, this one's still holding bullish also. I'd like to see a breakout after this. I think price is gonna find its direction up soon. Hopefully. I really do want to see the upside. I'm not gonna lie. I really don't want to short all-time highs. Let me mute myself. Let me finish this. Alright, I'm done, y'all. My bad. I need to work out more. I really want to start running, y'all. I want to start running, bro. I think I want to get up in the mornings and just run. I really do. I really, really, really do. That's gonna be my next, like, for the rest of the year. Like, have some discipline and get up and start running and just get my mind right. Get up and just run, bro. Now they know, don't they? Wait, what she told me I actually forgot. Keep running up, price. I need some more candles. Price is a little discorrelated right now. Kinda, it's like you can see this running up and ES kind of running down. Kind of how it was yesterday. Well, it wasn't really that was just, well, it kind of was discorrelated, but ES was just running up like crazy. But NQ was kind of just lagging behind. And like it's kind of different. It's kind of flipped today. This is creating SMT, yeah, it is. I can see that being taken out. I want it to be taken out. Give me something today, price. Give me some. Give me some. Give me some. I think it's for sure bullish. I mean, they're holding this gap. You're holding this gap. So let me see what the 5 minute look like. 15 minute. It's kind of a doji. But 5 minute. Holding that gap bullish. Disrespected this little 5 minute right here. I would love to see higher, bro. It's as long as it gives me an entry. But like I said, I'm not like that no more. I want to see it happen the way I want to see it happen though, and that's not always going to be the case. But just knowing how to trade is like take what you see. I'm kind of in that type of little, because your model just not gonna play out perfectly every time. It will, but it be, well, it's not. that it'll play out perfect every time, but it will show itself different ways. As long as I know how to trade it in different ways, then I'm good. See, that's confusing me. Now ES want to run up with some volume, but NQ doesn't. There you go over them. I look at the wick on that 5 minute. It's like we're going up, bro. So just go. Like, look at this candle. It's literally creating up. ES is running. Now ES is not lagging behind. Now it's pushing up. It's definitely some price discovery. I'm happy with the capital I have been able to preserve, though. I ain't blown no account or nothing. In a week like this, though, this week was literally just crazy. That's why I'm in a good. I feel like if I was in this week, like months and months ago, I would have blown so many accounts. Because I used to just trade every day. I used to just do stupid stuff. Used to be treating these prop firms like casinos or something like. But now being at this next level of my trading career is like I know how to preserve capital. I know how to see when price is not is not in good conditions. Yeah, I can just tell. So I know what a lot of accounts were probably blown this week. Like, had to be a lot of accounts blown this week, but we take this SMT out. I'm gonna like it. So I'm proud of myself with the way I've traded this week. Even though the week right now is still red, even though I can find something good today. I'm just happy with where I'm at in my training career. I'm happy with where I'm at. But and I know I can always be better. I know I'm on the right track for it to be better. So it's only up from here. So and I'm not quitting. You know, I have no feeling in my body to quit. So many other things I quit after it wasn't working out because I didn't have enough money to continue doing it, which is really the main thing. I usually didn't have a lot of money to continue doing stuff, but this is something I can't. It's nothing in me that wants to quit. I have the money to continue. I'm blessed to know it, so. And I'm right here to this payout. I'm like right there. But like I said, I ain't gonna think about that. This is holding bullish again. That 1 minute gap here on ES, like it's gonna hold bullish. There is no gap here in Q. I would love for it to hold bullish and push up. I think all-time highs is the draw right now, though. I think we finally want to take out these all-time highs. We right there. Which I kind of don't like that, actually. Kind of don't like that. That is the all-time high, right? think that is. Yeah, it is. Ain't no, yeah. Yeah, that's all-time highs. Oh, we pushing down now. Price could definitely reverse off that, but if you want to give me a good reversal order, I'll take that too. I know how to react to it now. Oh boy. We testing this gap again. Wow. Sellers just got mad, boy, and threw a punch. This is a strong sell-off right now. This is crazy. Strong sell-off right now. And there was targets below too, so. Yeah, the only target was these lows though. This London low and this other gap that was unmitigated. So, although I don't want to short and close all-time highs, I'm not opposed to anything, bro. I'm just letting price tell me what he wants to do. Gotta let price find the direction he wants to take. Right now, it's selling off very, very hard. So, just gotta see how it reacts to this support zone, or not support zone, but down here if it comes all the way down there. It could be just reacting off of this, bouncing off of this again. We'll see. This is S&T at the top, so I could see this being a strong move down though. Too many inverse retesting right now. Like I said, I don't really want to keep second guessing. I kind of want to take it, but I'm gonna be patient. I'm gonna be patient. That's not no bad trade if I was to take it, but it's just in the middle of my orb. I don't really want to take trades in between the orb, even though I do like it's looking pretty good, but I'm still bullish on it. I don't know, bro. I don't want to be married to that bias though. Like I said, I don't want to be married to that. But this looks very, very good to the downside at this point, just because the S&T. I mean, it didn't sweep anything though. We haven't swept any certain liquidity, so like we didn't sweep anything here on ES. I mean on NQ or ES. So like if it was a liquidity sweep somewhere, then maybe. Like, I guess this swept that liquidity. I don't know. Yeah, I wouldn't take that. Oh, let's see. We going up anyway. I just wouldn't take that. I think this is the move it wants to take at this point. Well, I know some people probably mad right now though. Hopefully folks didn't get in that, man. I want everybody to make their money. Just be smart on these charts, man. This is why I like the orb though, bro. I know where to trade. Like I'm not trading outside of this. I don't want to trade in the middle at all. Not at this moment. I'm just trading what I know so far. I mean, I know strategies, but that's why I didn't like that strategy as much because, I probably would have took the first little retest I seen right here off of that SMT. Well, I don't know. I probably wouldn't. Not right there, because change in state would have been what this. It would have changed in the state with volume. I would have. Oh no, I probably would have put this probably would I would have got in. I would have been in right now. That's how I used to trade that. I used to wait for the change in the state, which would be right here. And I used to put my limit right there. I used to put my limit order right there, right on the change in state, and would have jumped me in when it came back. Like if it would have went all the way down, I would just put my limit right here, wait for it to come back up, test it again, and then I would have wanted it to go down. But see, then again, it's looking like I probably would lose that. Knowing me, that literally would have been my trade. This literally would have been my trade, and my stop would have been up at this high, and I would have targeted probably this low. That would have been my trade if I was still trading that strategy. It's S&T at these highs. S&T at the highs. Well, I probably wouldn't have taken the trade because I ain't sweep nothing. It didn't sweep anything though. If it was a sweep, then I probably would have taken it. But it didn't sweep anything. I mean, yes, kind of swept some of this right here, but it still wouldn't have been a sweep for me. But that literally would have been my trade. I've been pissed off right now, all in this drawdown. But it probably could still go. You never know. But I've been like, bro, what? Oh, all of the confluences are there. Like, besides the liquidity sweep. But, man, I used to trade bad back then. I used to trade bad about 4 months ago. I would have been so mad. No! Oh! I would have been so pissed. I like, bro, what am I doing wrong? Oh, but this is what I want to see. Look at the volume up, y'all. This is what I want to see. This is what I want to see right now, though. It is sweeping at all-time high. It is sweeping all-time high right now. I think we still got more movement to the upside. I think we got more movement to the upside. This is definitely what I want to see, though. Good volume to the upside. Push through that. If we get some good displacement through that, give me a good gap. Oh, this is definitely what I want to see right now. Man, market, don't start freezing on me, bro. Come on, bro. Why market be doing that to me, bro? Come on. Man. Yeah. All that weird shit, bro. Bro, I feel like they doing this on purpose, bro. Like, they know. Why y'all want to start freezing when stuff start playing out? Y'all get some volume, then y'all want to start freezing. Well, I mean, maybe that's it. I don't know. Top step X don't do it to me now, bro. Okay, this gap is being created. It's outside of the orb, but I'm inside the orb, but I'm still monitoring it. I like it still. Over here, we still got it inside. Outside, and it's I wouldn't say it's the craziest size, but it's a good size. Or I would most likely wait for another one. I wouldn't take it directly on this, even though I like it. It ain't the breakout that I want to see. Especially we still sweeping this all-time high. If you get some volume past all-time high, then I'll take it. But this is like, it can come bounce off. You give me another one, then we can keep running up. But this is not enough for me to take it. Even though I do like it, bro. I like it. We got this breakaway gap down here. Strong push to the upside. I do like it. But I'm not going to take that just yet. Not going to take that just yet. I just need a little more clarity. Yeah, it's inversed all gaps too. Pretty quickly. Well, I went too. What did I just say? It went too quick. too cool. It went too quick, but it's still inverse, so I like that. But you need a little more. Too cool. Man, give me some. Excuse me. Let me see. 5 minutes. Like, it's creating a 5 minute break is about to happen. Just happened. Let me see. We could see a strong push up now. I wouldn't mind that, actually. We'll see. We'll see what happens. There ain't nothing else that could be. I like this. We kind of displacing through. Hopefully. But I still stay patient. I'm gonna stay patient and see when something. It gotta scream out to me that we going up. Right now it's not screaming simply because we sweeping all-time highs. Yeah, all-time highs. I know it's probably still trying to discover. If it can create me one more gap, I like it. I think if ES was to break this high, for sure, we definitely would be continuing up. If we break 595. It's creating this 5 minute gap as we speak. Price may want to come back down and test it. Like, if it does that, come back, hit the support, we're definitely going up. I'll take a long. Or I would take a long now, depending on what it gives me. But seeing as how it did yesterday, let me see what the 5 minute like over here. Let's creating a little 5-minute gap directly on top of it. Hopefully it holds this gap up in these next 3 minutes, these next 3 candles. I wouldn't mind it coming up, lagging down close to the support, and then we bounce up. Looking to take a super clean trade today, bro. Moving a little too fast right now, price. I like you to move fast, but not this fast. I mean, I don't mind the 5-minute gap being taken out though. Here, I think here on ES, on NQ is definitely going to create it though. But here on ES, it's just gone now. But at the end of the day, we still broke. Like, I'm not too worried about what ES does, to be honest. I'm more focused on what NQ does. Don't mind you lagging down, bro. See what this 1-minute candle does. This last little 1 minute. See if we create this 5-minute. I just don't want price to be fighting this all-time high area for too long. After this break. Two minute. 3 minute. Alright, create the 5-minute. This is what I want. I want a retest of this 5-minute. I don't know how deep we're gonna go into it, but that's what I want. I enter once it gets like in the support area. We could be running up, but we just ain't touched none of these gaps yet. I just want a little entry into one of these gaps, and then we can go up. There we go. Come on down, come on down. Just a little bit, man. Should I hop in right there, y'all? I don't know. I really wanted to tap that 1 minute, man.
Order filled.
I could be in a little too early, but I like this trade a lot. I'm in at 0.67. I'm in right there. I mean, we protected by a lot right now. We in this 2 minute right here. This is 2 minute right here. 0.67 is my entry. There we go. Push up. Wish I would have went in with a little more size, but it's okay. Got my stops down here at this low. Hold up. I'm going for a 2. My stop is right here. I can see us running up, man. I really can. I don't see why we would go back down. I really do like this trade a lot. Like, I don't think price has no reason to go down. Five minute. We tap inside the 5 minute. Yeah, I don't think price has a reason to go down. We hit directly on the support, almost to the tick. I think we run up. I mean, yeah, I think we run up. I'm kind of tempted to put my stop to break even, but I just don't want to put it there too early. And Q is ES is starting to go up. I think if we break this high 595, we continue to go up to, like, I don't know, just price discovery. Like, we just keep going up. We're running up, we're running up, we're running up. I ain't gonna move my stop yet. Price created another little gap down here though, so I'm liking that. It's a little 1 minute gap right here. Wish I would have upped my contracts. So I like this trade a lot. I really could have upped my contracts a little bit, but I think I'll move my stop. Move my stop to break even. Stops at break even now. So this is a no risk trade. I don't think we should come all the way back down though. I really don't. I really wish I put a couple more contracts or another contract on this though. I want an extra push though, man. We can go and get, if ES can go and take his little push up, I love this. We do have this little gap right here, this little 1 minute gap. Probably shouldn't want to like do no turtle soup or nothing like that. Shouldn't, at least. I don't see price needing to do that. Hopefully this hit on the support over here, push it up a little higher. Risk-free trade. I like this trade. I just wish I would put a couple more contracts on it. Push up, push up, push up. I think I got my TP a little higher than what I got it over here. Let me see. It's at 117 over here. 117 is all the way up here over here. Man, that's why I really wish I would have put more contracts. Fuck, no, 9. That's where it said over here. Okay. Dang, I wish I would have put more contracts. I mean, although I do think price can go up there. Just waiting on ES, man. Just waiting on ES right now. Go on, push up. I wish I could play music, bro. There we go, there we go. There we go, push up, push up, push up. Dang, I wish I would put more contracts on this, bro. A little greediness, but I don't like how long it's taking to go up though. This could just be a little break-even trade, seeming like. I'd be surprised though. It's a little bit of consolidation over here. But I'm gonna let her go up as high as it wanna go. I'm gonna just keep moving my stop up. That's what I'm trying to learn how to do instead of just closing them. Just trail my stop. That's why I really want another good push up. Like my TP is actually way higher. It's actually up at 117 now. This is really where my TP is at. And that's only $1,000. So I was sure to put more contracts, but that's only $1,000 right there, and that's all that range. But stop's still at break even right now. I know it's probably there kind of early, but I don't know if ES can get off of this support. It could be just a break even trade, but it's good because I ain't risking none at this point. But I want to see it keep running up. We can break this level. Some sellers here for sure. Break this level. What I want to see is ES break these levels. If ES can break this 595, then I know we running higher. Just gotta be patient and wait. We running up a little bit right now. If price does end up taking me out though, what I'll do is see what happens here, and if we get another like push out or something, like if we get another fair value gap out, like respecting this, then I'll jump back in. I'll probably jump back in, even though it's kind of later in the day, later in the session. I mean, I really wanted to push up though. ES is just consolidating right now. At this point, we'd have been in this trade more than 10 minutes. What? At 10:31, yeah, about 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Maybe the 1050 macro or whatever it's called push us up, hopefully. I really just want a good run up so I can move my stops up. But if we end break even, that's just gonna be the week for me. It's just gonna be the week. I don't know if I might not get another trade. Like I said, I'm trying to trade more mechanical, more like I'm a robot at this point. I do wish I would have put more into this trade though. Now, one thing is, when I do put more contracts, that's when I start to somewhat be scalping. That's when I end up like closing my trades way too early. Cause say I did put like 2 contracts on here, I'd probably be up like, what I'm up, 285, probably be up like almost 500, 600 or something like that. I'll be up about 600 right now. There we go, push up, push up. There you go, ES. Get off of that doggone support. There we go. Push up. Push up, push up, push up, push up. Create an old another fair value gap if you want to. Push up, push up, push up. Okay, I'm at the right spot. I don't know. This is just consolidating, bro. I think we still hold bullish though. It's just taking its time right now. There we go, push up. There we go, there we go. Give us a nice little, if we create another fair value gap, then I'll move my stop. Well, we kind of did already. We did already. created this little one, well, kind of small, but it's there. It's small, but it's there. So I really could move my stops. Here we go. Keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. Dang, I wish I would have put more contracts, bro. I just don't want to move my stop too early. Like, I could really just keep it at break even. But I'll probably move it up to this low in a second. I just want ES to take this. I just moved my stop up, y'all. I moved it right here. Or maybe I should put it back. I don't know. Don't want to be taken out of this trade, but if we are, it is what it is. I want to keep pushing up though. I mean, we already broke all-time highs, so I don't see why we don't keep pushing up. Finally broke all-time highs. I gotta figure out how to navigate Top Step X a little better, cause I don't even know how to add contracts. I don't even know how to don't set limit orders. I don't know how to do certain stuff, but even I'm low. If we break this right here, hopefully it's not a liquidity sweep, but if we break this, I think we can run hard. I hope we run hard is what I will say. But it's literally equal highs. I know we gotta be trying to get it. Overall, this is a good trade, y'all. No matter what happens at this point. Wish I would have put more contracts though. I wonder if I can add like there. I don't know how you do it, or just what's the name? Whew. Keep running though, man. Keep running up hard. This is a good trade to end the week though. Give us a strong push higher. I don't know what ES is reaching for. Maybe it's liquidity void. I don't know. It's like it's trying to come back down in this again. pretty drawn out trade though, bro. Goodness. Like I said, it ain't gonna just go straight to TP, so. Just how I want to start taking my trades on though. From now on, like I just want to be able to be in trades, take my time. Man, I wish I would have got in with 2 contracts though, for sure. Yes, still not taking these highs though. Got my stop still sitting at this low right here. There we go, push up, push up. I think we're gonna get a strong push up soon. There we go, yes. There we go, there we go. That's what I want to see. Yeah, it's about to take these highs. I want to see it push through it. Move my stop up a little bit. I got them at these candles right here. Up about 700, 800 almost. This is what I want to see. I wanted to see it push this and actually, with some volume, push it. What a good trade, man. Moving my stops up a little bit. After the close of this candle at least. And it makes this fair value gap. I don't like that candle that much. Yeah, keep pushing up. Beautiful trade though, beautiful trade. Hopefully this fair value got respects. I got my stops right here. So hopefully price respects this gap. Keep running up. That's what I want to see at least. It took you a whole life to be discovered. Nothing to be free. What you need in you. I think it's gonna give us a last little push up. I really do want to start running, bro. I just gotta start getting up. I think I'm gonna just set an alarm and just kind of try to build as much discipline as possible to just get up, go outside, and run. I need to buy me some running shoes. It's a little lake I can run, or a pond I can run. I might start going to the beach and running. The beach is a little far, that's like 30 minutes away. Give us a good little push up, y'all. That candle is kind of scaring me, this doji. Showing me that I kind of want to, or this, what do you want to call this? Hammer down, maybe? I don't know. Pin, whatever. All these names. Now when it hits this, y'all, it's not y'all not gonna hear order field because that's not where my TP is at. I also move my TP up because I'm trailing my stop. So I'm just trying to, y'all might say it's greed. I'm just trying to make as much money as possible to get me. That's why I wish I would have put in a little more contract because I'd be up a good amount right now. But I'm cool with what I got right now. I'm just trying to get in the groove of not closing trades early and letting it just go. I think we get some more volume up, hopefully. I want to end the week green, man. It looks like it's going to hold these gaps bullish though. So I might move the stop up just a little tad bit more if we take this high. Like if we take this high right here, I might move the stops up a little more. If you take me out, then that's just a week. That's just a week in the week. I ain't gonna end the week for the whole week green, but definitely way less than what I lost. I think I'm like 100 away from leaving the week green though. But I want to see more volume up. Hopefully we get more volume up, man. It definitely is slowing down a little bit. A couple more white candles are being in here. But price could want to come take this, like come fill some of these gaps a little more. So I won't be surprised if it takes me out. Probably like right here. My stop is like right there. So yeah, it might take me out now. No, don't take me out. Keep going. Keep going up. Keep going up. Keep going up. No, don't do it. No, please don't do it. Don't take me out, price. Keep going up.
Order filled.
That's okay though. So hey, that's good. What 542? How much I made today? 542. That's fine with me, man. I'm not mad at that. Not mad at that at all. I think price wants to come fill these gaps, which is okay. Good trade for me. I'm not mad at that at all, actually. This account is eligible for payout now, but I still gotta build some type of buffer. So, but yeah, that was pretty good. Pretty good trade, y'all. I ran that mug up. I really do wish I would have put more on it. I would have, because I really liked how it was looking. I just didn't. I just forgot to. I didn't think to go mess with my contracts or nothing. But I do wish I would have put a little more on there. But overall, very, very good trade. Yeah, man, that's gonna end my week right there, though. Yeah, it's gonna end my week, and man, this week was crazy, though. I will tell you that. This week was crazy. So, end up only losing $300 something this week, which is not bad. I like the way I ended my week. I ain't gonna lie to you. I love the way I ended my week. I had a feeling this was gonna come back down though, simply because of this candle. This candle showed me that it was like, okay, we kind of at the top of this. But man, I love the way I ended my week. Man. Taking a beautiful trade like that. Like, and I can tell, like, when I come in more positive, more happy, and more, I take good trades. I don't have to be here focused on. I just want to be smart about my trades. Like, I knew what I wanted to see down here, so I just took it, and that's what matters the most. So it probably was a 5-minute that it's coming to test too. Yeah, coming to test this little 5-minute. But man, overall that was a banger. I wish I would have put more on it. I would have been up way more. Probably been up. Man, I probably would have been about 2 bands on that trade, but yeah, what it is. I went in with one contract, so I only made $500 something. But literally, y'all see how many points I got on that. Y'all can do the math. Y'all see, I don't even know how to do that. How do they be doing it? Like that? Now where they see the points at? I don't know how they do that, y'all. I'm still learning this. How do they see the points on this? I don't know, bro. I'm still learning. I have to figure that out. But yeah, man, this is a beautiful trade. Textbook trade, to be honest with you. But I'm gonna end it right here and call it a week. Yeah, man. Yeah, I'll stay blessed, man. Stay positive. Just come in with a good head on your shoulders. Come in knowing that this does not dictate who you are. Win or lose, you are okay, and God got you. And like I tell you all the time, man, just stay prayed up. Like, keep praying. Don't just pray when times is bad. Pray when times is good also. So literally probably the only reason I won this trade is because I'm back into my spiritual realm and stop indulging in myself, and you know, God will bless you. So yeah, man, y'all just keep going, bro. Keep praying, and yeah, I'm gonna end it right there. Y'all have a good one, bro.